Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Jollibee's. What can I take for your order today? Hey. Can I take one order of pa, palabok? Tangin ng palabok. Yes, ma'am. One order of palabok. Yeah. Yes, whatever that is. Also, can I also get one? What the fuck is that word? Halo. Halo. Yes, ma'am. One order of halo. Do you want some leche flan in that? What the fuck did you just say? Leche? Just fucking put whatever comes with it.
Is because we got the death stare. And the death stare will make any children or any partner do what we want.